Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement with the focus being on collective nouns. A collective noun may be either singular or plural depending on its meaning in a sentence. The singular form of a collective noun names a group. Here is a list of common collective nouns. A collective noun is singular when it refers to the group as a unit and is plural when it refers to the individual members or parts of the group. For example, singular, the tour group is already on the bus. The group as a unit is on the bus. And for that reason, group takes the singular verb is. Here is an example of group being used in a plural context. The tour group are talking about what they expect to see. In this context, the members of the group are talking to one another. And for that reason, group takes the plural verb phrase are talking. The team is on the field. In this context, the team is being referred to as a unit. And for that reason, team is singular and it therefore takes a singular verb. However, if we say the team are working together, in this context, we are referring to the team as individuals. And for that reason, team is plural and it therefore takes the plural verb phrase are working. Another example, the class has met its substitute teacher. In this context, the class is being referred to as a unit. However, if we say the class were disagreeing with one another about the answers, in this context, we are referring to the class as individuals. Class is a plural subject, and for that reason takes the plural verb phrase were disagreeing. Please note, in the expression number of, the word number is singular when preceded by the and is plural when preceded by a. For example, the number of students taking computer courses has increased. The number is a singular subject, and for that reason, it takes the singular verb phrase has increased. However, if we say a number of students taking computer courses belong to the computer club, in this context, a number is a plural subject, and for that reason, it takes the plural verb belong. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.